This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. If your company uses QuickBooks Time, you can use the QuickBooks Workforce mobile app to track and manage time on the go. Let's go over how to enter your time, request time off, view your schedule, review your paychecks and tax forms, and more in the Workforce mobile app. If you don't already have it, you can find and download the Workforce mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then sign in. To track your time, tap Track Time. Under the Track Time tab, you can select the customer or job you are tracking time for, as well as add any other applicable information and notes. Then tap Clock In. At any point during the day, if you need to switch to a different job or task, tap Switch. Fill out any needed information, then tap Save. If it's time to take a break, tap Break. Then select a break type, like lunch break. When your break is over, tap End Break to clock back into your current job. When you have finished working, tap Clock Out. If you want to view your past timesheets, manually create a new time entry, or delete a timesheet, you can tap on the Timesheets tab. From here, you can select the three dots in the top right corner to add a timesheet. Or choose a previous time entry from the list and tap the three dots in the top right corner to add a break to that shift or delete the entry. To view if you have any upcoming shifts, go to Schedule on the bottom navigation menu. If you have a shift that starts within the next 15 minutes, you can clock into it from here. From the More menu, you can tap the Time Off option to manage your time off entries, or view your current time off balances. Here you can submit a time off request by tapping the plus icon in the bottom right corner. To complete the request, select which type you're using, such as holiday or sick time. Pick the applicable date and number of hours you will be using, and add any necessary notes before selecting Send Request. If you are paid via QuickBooks Payroll, you can also view your paychecks under the Money tab. By tapping on the Money tab, you can see a list of all of your previous paychecks, and tap on each one to view your paycheck details. Additionally, for those paid through QuickBooks Payroll, you can see your W-2s directly in the app by going to the More tab and tapping the Taxes option. For added convenience, there is now a live activity widget available to use with the Workforce app. This widget will show you a running timer of how long you have been clocked into a shift or break, and allows you to take breaks and clock out directly from your lock screen with one tap. Now you know how to manage your time entries, review paychecks, and more with your QuickBooks Workforce mobile app.